Hey everyone, welcome back to our ranking series. Today I'm showing you how to rank a listing from a random page all the way to the page 1 in just a few days. Imagine the impact that could have on your shop if you had access to the only ranking software of its kind on the market. In this episode we're moving on to the next letter in our series. Last time we used K, so today it's all about the letter L. Let's use the luggage tags as our target keyword. As always, we'll start by using a random number generator to pick a page in the range from 10 to 20. Looks like it's page 18. Perfect. Let's move to page 18. So let's add in the URL page equals 18 so we don't scroll all the way. Okay, here we are. So let's choose a nice product. Here's a listing that really stands out. The main photo is eye-catching, which could make a big difference in conversions once it's on the page 1. Right now it has no badges like popular now or bestseller, but that could change by the end of this video, so stick around. Even with strong photos and competitive pricing, getting a product to page 1 isn't a given. But with our tool, we can make that happen. Here's the plan. First, we'll copy the listing ID from the URL and enter it into the ranking tool. Then we add our target keyword, luggage tags, just as we searched for it. After that we hit run and let the tool do its magic. Now we just wait for a couple of days to see the results. As usual, see you in a moment. Good news, we received a notification from the tool that our product made it to the first page. Before we check, let's clear our cookies to make sure we're seeing real results without any prior search influence. To do that, we're gonna go to settings, search for cookies, Etsy and delete. Now let's search luggage tags again. And there it is. Not only has our product made it to the first page, but it also earned the popular now badge, which transformed a low visibility listing into a top ranking high traffic product in just a few days. Now imagine what this could do for your shop if you ranked, say, 100 listings on the page 1. With our lifetime ranking tool, that's not just a goal, it's a reality. If you're ready to take your shop's rankings to new heights and handle a 30, 50 or even 100% increase in sales, check out my Fiverr profile. There you can see client reviews and learn more about this tool. Thanks for watching.